Buffalo for the observance of the Holy Week. We're visiting Basilica National Shrine of Our Lady of Fatima.
Magkape na kayo, magkape na kayo.
Kape.
Wala po.
Kape.
Parking tayo.
May kape ako.
Ganyan po yan. Wait.
Bawat sandaling ako'y iyong hagkan, ang iyong mga halik. Sana'y wag nang matapos pa aking nadarama sa tuwing kapiling ka. Ako'y nasasabi nagsasalo tayo sa isang kasalanan.
Sa lumang simbahan aking napagmasdan, dalaga't binata ay nagsusumpaan. Sila'y nakaluhod sa harap ng altar, sa tigisang kamay may hawak na punyal. Kung ako'y patay na, ang bilin ko lamang dalawin mo giliw ang ulilang libing. At kung marinig mo ang taghoy at daing, iya'y pahimakas ng sumpaan natin. At kung maririnig mo ang tugtog ng kampana sa lumang simbahan, dumaraw ka na.
Like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day.